guys, I'm super excited to give you a room tour. Whether you're here looking for a stay or curious about what this hotel has to offer, then you're in for a treat. Hi everyone, my name is January and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a 40-something mom and I vlog about my adventures in lifestyle food and chill travels in between budget and luxury. Today, I'm gonna give you an exclusive tour of our suite here in Holiday Inn Bangkok, where we'll be staying for 8 days. Stay tuned and I'll give you the top 3 reasons why I think this is a good family hotel next time you go to Bangkok. So let's dive right in. Let's go.
Quite some time, and I don't know if you have heard that in my world you're the light. Yeah, yeah. So buy me time, oh buy me time, baby.
So sa different wing tayo ngayon pupunta, guys. This is where we have our breakfast, so ginger coffee dining. But we're gonna go to our room. So this is the way to the pool, the gym area. So dyan kami nag-swimming before. You can actually see all of that in my old vlog. So that's the pool area. Now this is the way to the rooms. Before kasi dun kami sa kabila eh. Okay, let's go. Mas maganda dito sa area na to kesa dun sa dati. Dun kami sa ano eh, sa may front desk before. Going to 1568. So this way.
Secret, it's all you.
Oh, thank you.
You can enjoy the room. I take care of the bathroom.
Okay, thank you. Wow.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us. Without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home. And it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay. Cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night.
After that hotel tour, guys, I think it's time for me to give you my top 3 reasons why I think Holiday Inn Bangkok is a great family hotel that you should consider the next time you visit Bangkok. First, location, location, location. Holiday Inn Bangkok is in the heart of the city. It's the closest hotel to Chitlom Station in the BTS line. For your reference, guys, Chitlom Station is connected to the R Walk, which makes this hotel very accessible and close to all the R Walk attractions. From here, you can easily go to Quezon Village, and the new Louis Vuitton Cafe is just in front. Central Embassy and Central World are less than 400 meters away. Big C Supermarket and Platinum Mall, pati na yung Goang Prato ng Chicken Rice, they're just about 700 meters away. If you wanna skip one BTS station, pwede kang maglakad directly to Siam Paragon and the Siam malls there because they're all connected via the R Walk. Along the way, you'll get to see the Erawan Shrine and the new Erawan Bangkok Mall. And dahil nga sa location niya ay maganda, it's very easy to book Grab and order food via Grab. My second and third reasons I think are related, so I'll go to the second one. It's price and service. Holiday Inn Bangkok is a 4-star hotel with 5-star service, guys. From the van pickup to the check-in process to our everyday breakfast and basically attending to our requests, yung service nila was really commendable. For the room type that we got their best room and they call it the Platinum Suite or the 1-bedroom suite with living and dining areas. Alam nyo ba guys, for 3 nights, we only paid 33,375 baht and that already comes with an extra bed setup. That rate is for 4 persons and it includes daily breakfast buffet for 4. And last but not the least, it's the room itself, guys. The room was spacious and it's very clean. There's even a mini kitchen which is so convenient kasi lalo na pag may leftover food kami, we can keep them refrigerated and heat them up the next morning in the microwave. Guys, dalawa rin yung toilets dito so hindi kami nag-aagawan. Merong isa sa powder room, meron ding isa na part ng master bedroom. Tapos guys, napakita ko na rin sa inyo yung living room, di ba, which is very spacious. So it's perfect lalo na kung meron kayong batang kasama because they can play in that area or basically kung marami kayong magbarkada na magkakasama, you can hang out there. There's also an ensuite toilet and bath and walk-in closet and it makes changing clothes and freshening up really convenient. I know guys, you don't need to get a suite room. Lagi rin naman tayong gumagala pag nasa ibang bansa tayo. But consider this if you're going there in a big group like in a family of 4, may bagets, may senior citizens. I think this is such a great room to get. Trust me guys, you will love it. And that's it. Let me know guys in the comment section what your hotel experiences are or what's your favorite hotel. Who knows, I might cover it in a future vlog. I hope you like this hotel room tour. More Bangkok vlogs coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!